and this is our corn. And this, you know why it's up here? It's because the base, the raccoon can't get up here. That's one thing. And it's almost ready to eat. That's one thing. And there's a bug on it. And the mint. And the wet flour over here that you can use. And after this video, I think we're gonna do a video on making the corn. And over there is our other corn, but the raccoon got. But it's a little disappointing. But the one thing is, there's a cute little flower that you can use on Halloween. We can do a video on that one day, on Halloween maybe. I don't know. But thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and don't forget to hit the like button. Do a video after this to make the corn.
Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. As you guys know, my house burned down a couple years ago, and one of the things when they tore it down, I kept the block chimneys. I thought they were really cool. You saw the blocks that we did the DIY cinder block garden with the spears. Looks great. This one, I want to do something a little different. So I'm going to fill with dirt, and I have one of Stefan's corn plants. It's popcorn actually. And I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to have some beautiful ivy and flowers that go out of it. I thought it was a good way of being creative. It keeps the raccoons out of your corn. Okay, the first thing I do, I'm just doing regular soil. And it's really important that you pack this down so the plant doesn't sink down. So I fill it with water and kind of poke it down. This was full. And now look at it. So I'm going to fill 3/4 with just regular soil, and then I'll use nice soil for the plants. Okay, the next step I have is some Miracle-Gro garden soil. And I need to add some soil moist because this is a container, so it's going to dry out because it gets more water also. So some of the water and the nutrients are going to leach. So I'm going to add some Nature's Care organic. And since this is an edible, always try to do organic. So mix it in. Now we're ready to plant. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put the corn center stage. Now this has purslane in it, which is an edible, but it's also just really beautiful. Now, I received some free pots, so I'm going to do an orange theme out here. Orange, yellow, whatever. So I'm going to add some beautiful flowers. I mean, the purslane's beautiful also, but it's kind of nice to add some stuff. So the first one I'm going to do is a vine, Black-Eyed Susan. This will grow 5 foot. Should I go up here so you can see? See how beautiful that is? And I'm also going to add some permanent vine in here. Oh, look at the roots on this. And I'm just going to stick it in there. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next 2 things that I'm going to put in is basil. Basil helps with many of the insects that attack the corn plant, and so does marigold. Plus, I mean, they smell amazing, they're edible, and since we're going with the orange theme, they'll be perfect. I'm going to plant the basil in the back because that's where a lot of the insects come from. And the last thing that I'm going to plant in here, oh, this is going to look cool. The corn's kind of tilted. I may have to stake it till the roots really go in, is the orange impatient. And I wanted to show you, this is one of the orange purslins. I mean, it's edible, it's beautiful. And this is the impatient that's orange. So this will make a stunning, and some of it's edible arrangement, kind of, because if you think about it, containers are just arrangements. Whether they're flower or just, you know, foliage. I mean, it's a great thing. So all I need to do is water it in, and I have a really DIY, cool concrete, edible container. Almost edible. Have a great day. Do something fun like this. Kids love it. And please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.
My name is Stefan. I'm going to show you how to grow popcorn. Do what we did.
That's first step.
Here, that's the first step, but this is going to be the grow part. Take them out of the water and now plant them. You gotta put them at the fingernail.
That depth. First you soak the seeds for 24 hours. Why do you soak them?
They can get root. If you don't soak them, then
it's such a hard shell.
Then you can't do. Then you're not gonna have to buy corn from the store.
Okay.
Not any more better. Always remember, know what one you put seed in, because that's the one problem.
Yeah. So do you like popcorn a lot?
Yeah, my favorite is every kind of popcorn. I don't mind any popcorn.
So you make your own popcorn with your mom?
Yeah, and the cool thing is popcorn is similar to corn.
Yes.
Because they're both, as we have seed.
Right.
But
they grow the same.
I already did that one.
Yeah.
So you always want to remember, what one do you do?
Mm-hmm. Go in order.
Yeah. But maybe one day I might gonna make popcorn with these, and the cool thing is I might gonna put 2 in and see what will happen.
Yeah, you could do 2 and then separate them.
Does that sound cool?
Yeah. Now where are you going to plant these once they get big enough?
I'm gonna plant them all around my garden.
Okay. With your beans?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna plant them in the garden. I can plant them in the garden and out the garden.
Okay.
And I can let the animals eat them to be nice.
Okay.
Special treat for us and special treat for them.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I already did that one. Now I'm gonna do the one, because I already did the one that was not in the world.
All right.